ladies and gentlemen, let us have a look at this question that solve for the value of x in the equation. Our equation is 3 raised to power x plus 1 minus 3 raised to power x equals to 162. Now, we need to find the value of x in this equation. So, for us to find the value of x in this equation, the first step that we will take is that we will break down this power to base 3. And we shall have 3 raised to power x times, because this is plus, so we will have times. This dot means multiplication. Therefore, we will have 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power this one. Then we have this minus. We have 3 raised to power x equals to, we have 162. Now, the next step that we will take is that we shall factor out 3 raised to power x here and also here. Because we have 3 raised to power x here and we have 3 raised to power x here. And we have a minus separating them. So we shall factor out 3 raised to power x into, when we factor out 3 raised to power x here, we shall remain with 3 raised to power 1. Then minus, when we factor out 3 raised to power x here, we shall remain with 1. Then we close the bracket equals to 162. Now, the next step that we will take is that we shall try to solve this. We have 3 raised to power 1 minus 1. So, solving that, we shall remain with 3 raised to power x into 3 raised to power 1 is just 3. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Then we equate it with 162. Now, the next step that we'll take in this is that we shall divide through by 2 and here by 2. So dividing through by 2, we shall simplify this and this. So we shall remain in our left hand side with 3 raised to power x equals to, in our right hand side, 162 divided by 2, we shall remain with 81, because by 2, 1 by 2, 81. Now, since we have 3 raised to power x equals to 81, we want to make 81 to base 3. We want to make sure that we have 3 raised to power x here and also 3 raised to power certain number so that we can get 81. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. Therefore, we shall have 3 raised to power x here equals to 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So we have not changed anything. So that means if the bases are the same, then we equate the powers. And therefore, our value of x will now be 4. So that is how you can solve for the value of x in this equation. And you can proceed to prove whether the value of x is indeed 4 by coming to the original equation and fixing where there is 4, you substitute. Where there is x, not 4. Where there is x, you substitute with 4. For example, in our equation, we were having 3 raised to power x plus 1. So 3 raised to power, we shall put, instead of x, we put 4. Then we have plus 1. Then we have minus 3 raised to power x. X is 4. So 3 raised to power 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 4. So 3 raised to power 5, from our calculator, we can find in our calculator 3 raised to power 4. Not 4, but 3 raised to power 4 is 81. But let us look at 3 raised to power 5. So 3 raised to power 5 is just 243. So we shall have 243 minus 3 raised to power 4 is just 81. So 243 minus 81. Let us see whether we will get 162. Now, if we minus from our calculator, we shall get 162. So we have proceeded to prove that indeed the value of x is just 4. So that is how you can solve for the value of x in this equation. So ladies and gentlemen, how I wish that you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.